Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Self Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I'm Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today I'm gonna share my PM skincare routine, which is my exfoliation skincare routine. So if you have oily acne prone skin and if you want to know which skincare routine would be perfect for this summer humid season and prevent acne at the same time, do definitely watch this video. So let's get into the skincare routine without any further delay. This is how my oily skin looks at the end of the day. So let's start off with my PM skincare routine. So first step is a cleansing oil, right? So today I'm going to use this Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve Cleansing Oil. So it's a very lightweight cleansing oil that helps to remove all the makeup, sunscreen and everything, even waterproof sunscreens and mascara just removes off very well, easily without much hassle. So this is a very good cleansing oil. Even if you have any skin type, you can definitely use this, perfect for summer. And even if you have oily and acne prone or sensitive skin, can definitely use this like that. And then I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. I wash off my face. So next I'm gonna use this 2% salicylamide anti-acne face wash. It's from Dermaco. It's a very good face wash. So if you have acne prone skin, you can definitely use this. It's a gel-based face wash and it works so well on acne. So if you are a beginner to salicylic acid and exfoliation, you can definitely start off with a exfoliating cleanser like this. It is gentle, it does not dry out your skin and is so good. I usually suggest using the 1 minute rule, especially when you're using an exfoliating face wash. So very use your fingertips, very gently massage your skin like that, especially concentrate on areas wherever you tend to get too much of blackheads, whiteheads or acne. So it works well and helps in preventing acne as well. I'm gonna use this 1 minute technique, massage my skin well and wash it off. After washing it off, my face looks clean, bright and fresh now, right? So I'm not gonna use any toner or an essence to hydrate my skin because I'm gonna use a salicylic acid serum. So while you are using some exfoliating actives, make sure to use it on clean, dry skin. Do not use it on damp or wet skin. So today I'm gonna use this Minimalist 2% salicylic acid serum. It's a very good serum which is great. Even if you are beginners, you can use it. So make sure the dropper should not touch the skin. Just 4 to 5 drops, not more than that. Do not just rub or massage it like this. Just press and apply it. So when you just tap the serum on your skin, it helps your skin to absorb the serum well. As you can see, even though I'm maintaining my skin well, I do tend to get acne because of this hot, humid climate. There is tanning, there's acne marks, acne, everything, right? So I usually use skin cycling. Like 1 day, I don't use any actives. Like once or twice a week, like I use a salicylic acid or a glycolic acid serum to exfoliate my skin, and the other days I use some good actives like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and azelaic acid serum. So now, as you can see, my skin is very well done with the serum step. It has absorbed so well. So now is a moisturizer step, right? So for moisturizer, this time I'm not going to use any active based moisturizer because I already have used salicylic acid serum in my routine. So today I'm going to use this ceramide moisturizer, which is called Nourishing Moisturizer from Foxtails. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. It has ceramide, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which helps to maintain your skin barrier, keep it healthy, and also help to calm and repair your skin. This moisturizer has very light lotion-like consistency. So even if you have oily and acne-prone skin, this works as my PM routine moisturizer so well. Just look at the texture. Can you see it's very lightweight, lotion-like, and it's so good. So once you apply, it just absorbs instantly. It does not make my skin look oily or greasy, nothing. So it works so well. As you can see, the moisturizer has instantly absorbed onto my skin and it does not look heavy or greasy at all. My skin looks perfectly moisturized, not too heavy. It's very lightweight and it's so perfect. This particular moisturizer is suitable for any skin type because it's very lightweight, provides a good moisturizing effect. Even my mom has normal to dry skin and it also suits her. I have oily acne prone skin and it also suits me. It does not break me out. It's like a perfect PM skin keratin moisturizer, and these kind of moisturizer must have, especially if you're using any exfoliation or retinol kind of a active. So these are really important. So that's it about my skincare routine. Now moving on to lip care, because we use liquid lipsticks, transfer proof lipsticks and everything, right? So lip care is really very important. So my favorite is this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So this mask has been my completely stable product in my PM routine. So it has a quite thick texture, and can you see it just beautifully nourishes, repairs my lips overnight, even though I have dry, chapped lips. This helps with that so well, and I really love this sleeping mask. Without this, my PM skincare routine doesn't end and it works so well. Do definitely give this a try. That's it for my PM skincare routine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Jenny, for more such self-care, makeup, and fashion content. And if you would like to watch such long form review videos, skincare tutorial, helpful tips, makeup tutorials, and fashion hauls, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, until next time, bye bye.